I'm Rachel at Skin, and today I'm going to go over aftercare with you. So aftercare is really important. We're trying to prevent infection and irritation and promote healing. Your body and your immune system is really what's doing the rest of the work for you. So it is important to be healthy. The healthier you are, the quicker and the better the piercing is going to heal for you. Earlobes take 3 to 4 months to heal. That's the amount of time you want to keep up with aftercare and keep the jewelry in. You definitely do not want to change these yourself until they're healed. I do put a longer post in at first to accommodate for the initial swelling. Once the swelling goes down, you'll want to get a shorter fitted post in so it's not sliding around and catching on things. That usually happens in a month. We will set you up with a 1-month checkup. Basically, at the month checkup, you will come in, I'll make sure everything is healing okay, and we'll downsize you if you're ready for it. The checkups themselves don't cost anything. The downsize is just the cost of the new post or barbell. We will reuse the gem that you picked out, which is the more expensive part. For cleanings, you want to use a sterile saline wound wash. We sell these for $10. You can get sterile saline anywhere with a first aid section. If you do get it somewhere else, make sure to read labels. You do not want a contact solution or a nasal spray. You also want to look at the ingredients. There should only be 2 ingredients, and that is USP grade water and USP sodium chloride, which is salt. The only difference between the ones I sell and the ones in stores is that mine is a mist. The ones in stores are full stream, which can be a little bit messy and you do go through product a lot quicker. To use this, you first want to wash your hands. Always wash your hands before touching the piercing. The only time you want to touch it is when you're cleaning it. Other than that, you want to leave it alone. You do not have to spin or twist jewelry. It's not going to stick or grow to your skin. It is implant grade, so any movement on the jewelry is just going to pull in bacteria and irritate the wound. So try not to move jewelry and try not to mess with it unless you're cleaning it. After you wash your hands, take your saline, spray the fronts and the backs, check them out in the mirror. If you see buildup on the jewelry, spray a Q-tip with the saline, gently wipe it off, and then dry it with clean paper towel. Make sure when you are drying, you want to get your whole ear. You want to get the whole front and inside of your ear, the whole back of your ear, against your head, all the way to your hairline. You want to do 2 cleanings a day. You want to do one right after your shower and the other at the opposite end of your day. So if you shower at night, do one in the morning when you wake up, one at night after your shower. At the end of every shower, give the piercing a good 3 to 5 minute rinse under the warm running water. That will soften and break up buildup, it will flush out the wound, and it'll rinse away any soap that runs down onto it. While you're in the shower, try your best not to get soap on it. The only thing you want coming in contact with the piercing while it's healing is shower water and sterile saline. Everything else, keep about a nickel to a quarter size space away from the piercing and rinse towards your back and away from the area for soaps, shampoos, and conditioners. Other than that, just be really careful with it. Be careful with your hair. If it gets caught, unwind it. Don't pull from the head. Be careful brushing your hair, drying off after a shower, getting dressed. Always remember that the piercing is there so you don't accidentally snag it or catch it on anything. If you have any questions, please ask your piercer. We are here to help and we're happy to answer any questions for you.